Are you struggling with pimples, acne, and you feel like, okay, you want to get rid of it very quickly, and people are suggesting to you expensive skincare products that you feel like, okay, they are not budget friendly? Well, you don't have to worry much because with this Dettol Antiseptic Liquid, you can get rid of your acne and pimples. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Rejoice Edwin. If you're watching me for the first time, I do make videos about beauty, skincare, vlog, lifestyle, anything pertaining in your life. I do make videos about it. And if you are a returnee who is coming back to watch my video, thank you so much for coming back. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do hit the subscribe button. I'll really appreciate. And do give me a thumbs up at the end of this video if you find this video enjoyable. So in today's video, I will be telling you guys how you can get rid of your acne and pimples with the help of this Dettol Antiseptic Liquid. Yes, it's possible. You can get rid of your acne and pimples if you use Dettol the right way. You can get rid of it if you only use it the right way. You know, many people like me, for the females like me, I normally see, I normally have pimples in a particular time of the month. Let's say my pimples do come out every month. It comes along with my visitor. You all know what I mean by visitor. So I feel like, no, I want to get rid of it. And that is when I use this Dettol Antiseptic. It's a budget friendly product, skincare product. If you feel like you don't have money to buy some products, some skincare products that removes acne and that removes pimples, this is what you need to use, Dettol, because this is what I normally do use for removing of my pimples and acne. So if you feel like, okay, you want to get rid of it, you don't want to have it on your face, well, there are two methods that I'll be suggesting to you in this particular video. Yes, and the two methods, you need to listen carefully if you want to see the result. And please do note that Dettol Antiseptic Liquid is very harsh to the skin when it is not being diluted. This is what we mean when it's not diluted. As it is now, it is not diluted. Yes. So if you use it just like this, in its form like this, on your skin, it will cause you either irritation or it's going to burn your skin, and you don't want to have a burnt skin, right? Well, listen carefully and know how you can use your Dettol Antiseptic Liquid the right way to get rid of your pimples, acne on your face and also on your body. So the first method is where you have to use your Dettol Antiseptic Liquid. You have to dilute it in your bathing water. Yes, this is the first method. So you take either 1 cup full of your Dettol liquid, then pour it into your bathing water, then bath with it. Yes, and bath with it. So this is the first method where you have to add it to your bathing water. Well, this first method will not remove your acne as fast as you want. It's going to do that very gradually, very slow. So if you want to remove it very fast, well, that's where the second method. So for the second method, we normally, let's say the second method is being divided into branches. Yes, so the second method, it goes a lot. And this is where you have to pay strict attention to know how you can use it to remove your acne and pimples, both on your face and in your body. So now I'm going to start with your face, which is the part A, your face. So if you have pimples or you have acne on your face and you want to get rid of it with Dettol, this is what you're going to do. Is either you take 1 cup full of Dettol or half cup full of Dettol, pour it into a container, an empty container that is available, then dilute it with water. So the amount of water should be either 1 cup full, it should be a 1 cup full of this. If you have, let's say, 1.5 cup full of this, then dilute it inside your Dettol. Yes. When you have done diluting it, it's either you use a cotton wool or an ear cleaner, an earbud, and so to say, use an earbud or a cotton wool to apply on your face. So if you are using a cotton wool, maybe you have pimples all over your face, or you have acne all over your face, this is where you use a cotton wool. You dip it into your diluted Dettol that is being diluted with water, then gently apply it on your face. Take it around your face gently. Do it that gently, you know, then leave it. You can either, I suggest you leave it for 5 to 10 minutes on your face. But if you feel like, okay, yes, your skin is compatible of taking it throughout the whole night, well, you can go ahead. This should be applied during the night, please. Then you can go ahead, and if you feel like, okay, your skin is not compatible, cannot hold it that long, please do wash it after 10 minutes. Wash it off your face. That is for those with face. That is for those who have acne or pimples on their face. And now, if you have maybe acne here, you have pimples here, you're like they are scanty on your face, this is where you use the earbud, where you your dip it inside the diluted Dettol that's in your container, then dab it on those areas where you have your pimples and your acne. So this is how you apply it on your face. This has been done. Now, if you have pimples and acne on your body, this is what you are going to do. So you need to take a cup full of this. Let's say half, let's go with the half. You go with the half cup of the Dettol liquid. Yes, you open it and you pour half of it on this cup. Well, this is for those who have acne on their body. Yes, if you have acne on your body, this is how you do it. So when you have a half cup full of this is when you are done bathing. This is how you do it. If you are done bathing, taking your bath in the bathing room, this is what you do. So you take a half cup of this. Sorry, guys. A half cup of this. Then you dilute it with water still inside this cup. This is what I mean. So this is my cup. And this is half of it, right? What is inside here is half of the Dettol liquid. So now you have to dilute it with water. Yes, you dilute it with water. Let me show you. Because of emphasis, this is the half cup of a Dettol liquid. It is inside here, and let's use a sachet water for this experiment. So you want to pour it, you want to fill it good. You want to fill it with water. It's food. As you can see, it's even, yes, this is what we are saying. Sorry. So when it's in like this, is either you pour it on your palm, then dab it on those affected areas. You try to like dab it. You take it on your palm, then you dab on those affected areas, be it on your back or your chest. Then for the face, this is where you have to use a cotton wool, where a cotton wool or an earbud cleaner. Yes, then either you put it inside, then apply it on your face. And that is how it works. So after you have done applying it on your skin and you feel like, okay, you want to wash it off and you now wash it off, please use a moisturizer immediately. Why are you using a moisturizer after applying the Dettol liquid? Why? Because this Dettol causes dryness to the skin. So if you are dry skin and you apply Dettol on your skin, Dettol is going to dry your skin the more. So after washing it off, that is where you apply a moisturizer on your face so that your face or your body, so that your skin doesn't become dry. And if you are sensitive or you have an oily skin, you still have to apply a moisturizer on your face after using the Dettol Antiseptic Liquid. So that is how it works. Please take note that you must dilute your Dettol Antiseptic Liquid if you want it to work fine. One thing you need to note is that you don't have to do this method every day. You don't have to do the second method like every day. If you are doing it every day, that is maybe because your acne or your pimples are so stubborn to go away, and immediately you no longer see your acne, you no longer see the pimples on your face, please stop using the second method. It shouldn't be used every day. At least you can use it, or you can do the second method twice a week. But for the first method, you can always add it to your bathing water to remove the germs in your water that can possibly or likely cause or likely leave bacteria on your skin. So the first method can be done every day. There's no problem with it. But you see the second method, there's a big problem if you do it every day on your skin. You understand? This Dettol Antiseptic Liquid contains some chemicals that if you apply it every day on your skin can cause irritation or can burn your skin. So you would not do it every day. You may do it twice in a week or three times in a week or four times in a week. You understand? But not like every day. No, it's not required. So, guys, please do note that the toe doesn't fade away the the scars left by these pimples and acne. It doesn't fade them away, please. So, if you are having high hopes that okay, if you use Dettol, it will remove the acne scars, the pimple scars, no, then I bet you'll be disappointed because Dettol doesn't fade away those scars. So please do take that. It doesn't fade away scars. If you want to fade your own scars, you need to go for skincare product that can remove and make your scars to fade away very quickly. Guys, this is just how I normally do clear my acne and my pimples with Dettol. It's a budget friendly skincare product that I love using to clear my acne and my pimples. So guys, if you really like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel and do hit your notification bar for more videos that we're posting. But for now, guys, it's a goodbye. And please do stay safe and always do pray. Bye.